Hello everybody, it's Lynn. Just coming on to do this little how-to video. It's just something that I came up with while I've been putting the decorations up on the tree, and I thought I'd show you this. Now this one is I bought these a long time ago from a shopping channel, and what you do with them, and the for when you hang your decorations on your tree, because it fits like that, so that you know you're not struggling with the string onto the branches. It's a lot easier just to put that over on your tree and then hang your bauble from that, and that's how it works. Just a simple little device. As I say, I bought these from a shopping channel years ago, and that I've still got them, and I use them every year. And I just thought you could make those if you've got jewellery equipment or beading equipment. You could make them. So that was the one I bought, and this is the one that I made. Now my wire is not as thick as the bought one, because the wire I've used is only 30mm, and I think that's probably 50, if not a bit stiffer. I'm not quite sure what gauge it is, but I only have, the thickest one I have is 30mm. So what I've done is I've cut a piece of this. Let me find the end for you. Is that the end? That's the end. So this is how I've gone about making one of those. Cut yourself a piece of wire. Just going to put that in there before it all uncoils. And then what I did was turn one piece back on itself to make yourself a little loop piece like that. Don't matter if it's, don't have to be perfect. They're not perfect, are they? Just like that. It's a bit awkward. There you go. The wire doesn't want to go that way for some reason. Come on. Right. So that I've coiled that back on itself like that. Hope you can see this. Then what you do is you thread your fancy beads onto it. And what I did, I did similar to that, you know, a big pearl and then some smaller ones. So I don't have any pearls here at the minute. So what I'll do is I'm going to put a clear one on. One of these that's got a little coloured centre to it. And then I'm going to use one of these. So I'll put that on there, like that. And then follow it up by another one of those. And then another one of these. And that's your little adornment in the middle. So what you do now is I used some of this. Now you need a strong glue to stick it. This is art glitter glue. You could use trying to think of the name of it now, the one that everybody uses when they're sticking things together. I can't think what it's called. It may come to me, it may not. Glossy Accents, there you go. That didn't take long, did it? Glossy Accents you could use. That's a good glue for sticking, but it's very expensive. It's like this, expensive glue for sticking things together with, but hey-ho, it is what it is. So there you go. You stick your beads together. Give it a little bit of time to go off, and then what you do then is, and it will go this time, you make the loop. So you just loop this bit up as much as you want of a loop, like that, and then you cut the other little bit off there. You don't need it that long, so we'll cut a little bit off. There you go, and there you are. So that's one I made earlier, that's one I've just made now, because you can make them as big or as small as you want. And that's quite a big one, is that, but never mind, it doesn't matter. Just sparkles when you've got it on the tree anyway. And then it's because I didn't put that big curve in at the top there, but let's have a look. Try and do it a bit better than this for you. Put the curve in at the top. And then you turn that round on itself. There you go, that's a bit better. Not perfect, but what in life is. Not a lot of things that are perfect. So that is just a little quick show and tell of how you can make your own bauble holders for putting on your Christmas tree, and it makes it a lot easier to put them on and off your tree once you've made them. And then when it's set, you just hook that over your tree, and then add your bauble, and there you go, done. So I just wanted to share that with people. As I say, they do help. I've had them years, these ones, and they help me anyway, especially if you've got problems with your hands and fiddly little things. They're just a quick, nice, little, easy thing to make to help you decorate your tree. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you shortly. Bye for now.